How to create group chat in Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to create a group chat on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to create a group chat, here you can find pencil icon at the top right corner. Just right here. Now select it. Then here you can find new group option. Just right here. Now tap on it. Now to create the group, you need to add the members. Now add the members just like this and tap on to next. Just like this, and create the group name just like this. And you can also add the photo just right here and tap on to create. And now you can see the group chat has been created. Now simply message in the group chat. And that's it. This is how you can create group chat in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.